really good show so far, opening day. Talking to a couple people that are doing cabinets and countertops, so it's great to see multiple industries. This is a great show to see the different equipment. We've got all the different saw companies here, a couple digital templating companies, and happy to share some thoughts on our product.
I think the energy is right. We're excited to see this kind of presence here in Canada, and we look forward to the growth and for more opportunities for all of our trade partners.
So far, the show's been wonderful. Everyone's been very friendly. It's nice to be with your peers that are in the industry, as well as have exposure to people that wouldn't necessarily, let's say, Google you, but now they're actually in front of you.
Exhibition every year is being better, and so we expect this year also the tendency can be higher than the last year. But so far the market is being great for us.
We're super excited to be here. We're excited to share what we have to offer with Canadian stone fabricators. We're grateful for the opportunity to share what we have to offer here.
If you haven't attended the show, you should definitely come down and check it out, from design and cabinetry for the kitchen and bath side, but also the new technology on the StoneTech side is great to look at.
Take time out of your schedule, come by, experience new things, see new trends, meet partners. It's an exciting place to be, absolutely.